easy and quick ways to create new tabs in Excel. In an open workbook, click the plus button at the end of your sheet tabs. You can also press Shift plus F11. This will create a new blank sheet after your existing sheets. Create a copy of an existing sheet by selecting it, holding Control and then dragging the sheet. This will create a new copy that contains all of the data from the original. Double-click a tab to rename. Right-click, select Tab Color to color it. Change the number of default sheets for new workbooks. Click the File tab and select Options. In General tab, find the When Creating New Workbooks section. Change the number. Click and drag tabs left and right to reorder them. Adding multiple sheets. Hold Shift and select the number of sheets you want to create. Click the Insert button in the Home tab. Select Insert Sheet.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.